Wow, look at them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Those are so cool. Got a whole bunch of Halloween stickers.
Are they tattoos or?
No, they're stickers. That's cool. Uh-oh, I did it. Oh, that's a Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear sticker. Wow, don't lose your page. I think that was marking your page, wasn't it?
That's okay. We'll figure it out.
And what kind's this one? Winnie Pooh. Oh, Disney. Oh, there are all kinds of Disney, not just Winnie Pooh. Oh, cute.
Okay.
Where are you going to put them stickers? In a book?
We'll have to,
In a book? You're going to put them stickers? Whoa, I could have gotten that. I didn't see that one fell, or I would have picked it up for you. Yeah. I would have picked it up for you. Be careful. Where are you going now?
yeah, which way are you going to go?
Where are you going? Look, you're going somewhere. You got to lift this up, okay? Okay, you tell me where you're going. You going to see Grandpapa? He's going to be tired this afternoon.
Yeah, it's okay.
So you want back in your chair? Okay, wait. Here. Undo these. Whoa. And undo those. Okay, you sit down. And we back up. Then we put them down. Atta boy.